guys? It's Glenn from Glenn'sCarCollection.com. Good morning to you. Taking another drive this morning. Hope you're having a great morning. Winter's coming, folks. We need to enjoy our cars. And I'm always filming the 911. I thought it would be good this time to film the 911. I mean, the S2000. So used to driving the 911 on back road. So give the S2000 a try. I do actually drive this S2000 all the time. I put about 2,800 miles in the 9 months or so I've owned it. Can you believe it's been that long already? Though I didn't have it for the first month I bought it, getting that clear bra situation taken care of. It's not the fastest car, but it's definitely one of the most fun cars, and definitely one of the most fun cars you can get for the money. So, all right, let's do some VTEC. VTEC, yo! Actually got into fourth, huh? We probably hit slow traffic again. All right, I think we take the straightaways slow and the turns fast. But that's what's great about the S2000, the turns. Not the fastest car in the world, but definitely one of the most fun cars. These cars now, good ones like this, are probably 30, 35,000. I think you should start your search at probably 25,000 and up. $20,000 examples are very ratty examples that probably need a lot of work. Biggest thing on these cars, the tops rip, they leak. They're poorly patched, so try to get one with a perfect top and 10 VIN tags if you can, so you know it's never been hit. If it's been hit or crashed, it may not handle as well, and you don't want to drive spiritedly with a car that you don't know how well it was put back together. See, I don't have stability control or traction control, so you felt the back end come around there? $8,000 RPM, baby. Soon it'll be too cold to do this, so I'm enjoying it now. All right. So traffic, but at least we had some good turns there. So yeah, again, for the money, my favorite car in the world is probably my NSX, my 2005 Long Beach Blue NSX. But my favorite car for the money is probably this car, the S2000. So if you're in the market for one, try to get one now. Try to get the best example your budget will allow. And then my advice is just drive the heck out of it. I had 9,000 mile cars, 11,000 mile S2000s. This one I bought with 30,000 miles because I figure I can drive at 20,000 miles without affecting the value too much. And this is how these cars should be driven. Drive it like you stole it, because if you drive it conservatively, there's no power until you hit 5,800 RPM on the AP2s, about 6,800 RPM on the AP1s. Now, the AP1s do have a 9,000 RPM red line. They're a little buzzier. They're a little, more squeaks and rattles. I don't think they look as good as the AP2. If I was tracking my car like autocross, I would take the AP1 because it already oversteers naturally. If I wanted to drive more on the street, I would take the AP2. But you can't go wrong with either car. They're fantastic versions. All right, guys, I think our drive is over here. So remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.